Once turned on, there's a continuous mist that comes out. Use even strokes in an up and downward motion, starting with your legs first. When spraying the feet, pull the gun twice the distance away and even strokes across the ankle too. After both legs, front and back, and your feet are done, you can start working the top portion of your body, starting at your neck and clavicle and working your way down. For your arms, start at the shoulder and work your way down. Don't forget your underarms and your elbows. Turn your arm multiple directions to make sure that you're getting every single part. Don't worry, you're going to rub and blend all this in at the end. Sure, your back is tricky, but do your best and use both hands if possible, or get a friend to spray your back. When spraying the face, use circular motions and don't forget your ears. Use downward motions when spraying your hands and don't oversaturate. Add some solution to the mitt that came with your kit and rub and buff all of the solution into your skin. This ensures a more even application and faster drying time. You'll be able to get dressed in 3 to 5 minutes. After you're dry, it's okay to get dressed and live your life. Just don't get wet while it's developing.